Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss some exercises of interrogative pronouns. Okay, let's start. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronouns. Okay? Blanks, did you do then? Option is what, which, how. Okay? You have to choose appropriate pronoun. Okay? So pause the video and try to fill. Let's see the answer. What did you do then? Okay? What did you do then? What should we fill? Okay? Which we cannot use which because which is for choice. Okay? What would you like to eat? Okay? What would you like to eat? Same way we cannot use which. Who is knocking at the door? Okay? What is your phone number? What is your phone number? What is the most appropriate word? Here we can use in fifth, do you want to see? Here we can use what and whom. Okay? Someone may say that we can also use who because nowadays it is in fashion that whom is not used. Okay? So in place of whom we use who. But as we know that whom is objective case of who. So let's try to find the answer. Do you want to see? तुम किसे देखना चाहते हो? If we try to give the answer like we want to see Mr. John. We want to see Mr. John. Here John is in objective case. Yeah, we want to see him. So him is in objective case. That's why we should use whom. Okay? Who is wrong? Who is wrong? So here we can use whom. Whom do you want to see? तुम किसे देखना चाहते हो? And next meaning is what do you want to see? तुम क्या देखना चाहते हो? So what also can be used. Okay? Next, will he say? Will he say? So pause the video and try to fill. Let's see the answer. What will he say? वह क्या बोलेगा? Okay? Next, what or whom? Same way someone may say that who can be used, but same way we can find out whether who is the best or whom is the best. Did you see? तुमने किसे देखा? So I saw him या we saw him या we saw Mr. John. So answer should be used in objective form. That's why we should use objective case of who, that is whom. So whom did you see? तुमने किसे देखा? और what did you see? तुमने क्या देखा? 8. What or whom are you speaking? तुम क्या बोल रहे हो या तुम किससे बोल रहे हो? Okay? Whom or what? Okay? Who came here in the morning? It is simple. Who came here in the morning? By whom was this book written? ठीक है, like this book is written by you can say Mr. X. So this by whom was this book written? So this book was written by Mr. X or Mr. John or Mr. David. Okay? और Miss Emily, जो कुछ भी होगा, whatever you may assume. So yeah, Miss Geeta, Mrs. Chaudhary, जो कुछ भी, whatever your answer. So that should be used in objective form. So whom is the best word? Okay? Here you should pause the video and attempt. Let's see the answer. What do you mean? It is simple. we use the word in our daily life. Who do you think took the money? Yes, this is important. We should understand the concept behind this sentence. Who do you think took the money? So, तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि पैसे किसने लिए? So, if you try to give the answer, you may say that Miss Sarita took the money. Miss Sarita ने लिया. That is your subject. Okay? So your answer will be in subject. So subjective case should be used. So we should use who and we cannot use whom. Whom का use हम बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay? Which is better, wisdom or riches? Okay. Someone may say that either which or what. We can use both, but as we have studied that which is used for choice, so here it seems that it is choice, wisdom or riches. So which is the best? Okay, someone may say that either could be used, means either which or what, but according to rule which is the best. Okay, however in a special case, if we have to use what, it is okay, but which is the best. Okay, next, who do you think is right? Okay, subjective key, that's why we should use who. Who do you think is right? कौन, तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि कौन सही है? तो ऑब्वियसली डेविड सही है, जॉन सही है, मधु सही है. सो ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म, दैट्स व्हाई वी शुड यूज who. 15 is a continent. What is a continent? It is simple. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.